Alrighty guys, we're back with another video. I know I haven't posted anything, but we bought our parts truck. This truck is you guys can see it's a 3406B model cat. This engine's coming off of a 1990 International. I looked around looking to buy an engine by itself and this and that, you know, and for the engine alone I was gonna pay 7, 8, 9 grand. So I ended up paying just a couple thousand more, and I got basically a complete truck. Yeah, you guys can see the steer tires are, you know, basically brand new. The 8 tires in the rear are, you know, about 70%. You know, the guy said that he overhauled the engine maybe 250,000 miles, you know, and he upgraded with the truck with a sleeper, so he was, you know, ready to get ready with this truck. So yeah, we're gonna grab this and throw it in the Kenworth. It has a 13 speed behind it, and I'll show you guys around. I also have a guy coming right now to pick up this hood, the bumper, and the visor up top. Here you guys can see the tires, and these are tall rubbers. These are 24s. You know, he said he also replaced the turbo not too long ago. You know, I picked up the truck up in Oconomowoc, Wisconsin, maybe like 5 hours up from Chicago, Illinois. This is where I have the truck now, and I got a headache rack, 150-gallon tanks, just a little box full of water. Here are the tires. You know, they're about 60-70% life, all of them. You know, he said he had done a lot of work to the truck. You know, had done a lot of work to the truck, but he just needed a truck with a sleeper, and so yep, he got rid of it, and I came across it, and I got a good deal. It has I don't know the brand of the rear ends, but I know they're 390s. But I don't need none of that stuff. I'm just basically going to you know, pull that transmission out with the engine and swap the tires over, and whatever other things I can get, I'll go ahead and swap them over, you know. But yeah, this is it. Let me go ahead and start her up so you guys can see it. Alrighty guys, we are inside the International. I mean, there's not much space here. This truck used to have a sleeper, but the guy took the sleeper off as he was doing little local runs, and his runs started becoming longer and longer, so he decided to upgrade to a truck with a sleeper. Let's go ahead and start her up. There's the key. She's in neutral, and like I said, it is a 13-speed, fuller Eaton, and look, we got a push start. Starts right up. We got oil pressure right at 60, a little under, but 60 is about right. The temp, and this is the exhaust temperature, but those don't work. Battery voltage looking good. The fuel, the trans oil, all these little stuff that don't matter to us, but had a bunch of water inside the exhaust. Yep, but she sounds good, man. Has a few little leaks, but once we pull it out, we'll go ahead and put new gaskets in there. Let's see if I can pull it out of here and take it on a little drive. Alrighty guys, we're inside the truck. Going for a little test drive. This truck is a little more difficult to drive than any regular truck. Did I hear that bad boy? Alrighty, boys. You got this boy tore down. Getting ready to pull the engine out. I already sold the hood and the bumper, and selling a few other parts off of this truck just to make a little extra money. Tomorrow we're gonna come in here at my mechanic shop. We're gonna come in and pull the engine out, pull the tires out, and I'm gonna try to, if anybody's interested in what's left, shoot me a message. The frame, you know, it's basically like a rolling chassis. Let me know. I pulled the air lines off, throw them on the W9. Basically got everything pulled out of it. You see down there, that's the engine. Got the drive shaft on the ground. There's a big old hole where the transmission used to go. There's the tranny over here, 13 speed. I got the W900 out here. I had some guy, he was gonna come paint the frame, but he's been not doing a very good job. Plus the color came out wrong. It was supposed to be like a burgundy red, and it should look hot pink. But he went back and got the correct color, and he's gonna be out here painting in these next couple days before we throw the engine in there. And I never got it on video, but we hauled this truck in on a flatbed on a step deck, and we basically pulled the tires off, set the truck on basically the steps, the front axle, you know, and I had to pull the tanks off so it could be able to sit all the way down so we can meet the 13.6 height. Pulled the stacks off also. But yeah, these I'm gonna take a little time off on this Christmas and New Year's week, and I'm gonna just come out here and bust ass and try to get this shit going. I came up, I got a load from Florida up here to Chicago, Illinois, and I tried to bring up all my stuff that I was going to need. I brought all the bags, all the shocks. I got new shocks. All brand new shocks for the rear. All the bags. I got all the chambers, and also already pulled them out. And we're gonna go ahead and start swapping everything over. And also I brought the oil pan cap, or whatever you guys call it, because the one on the International sits a little too forward, and this one's a little more to the rear. If you can see here, I think the mechanic said that supposedly the Carter, or whatever they call them, would hit that since it was too forward. So I had to bring the original one of the original engine that sits a little more to the back, so it wouldn't bump into there. And oh, I never posted a video about the interior. I went ahead and stripped all the interior out. All the interior is gone. I pulled it out, gave it a nice clean, and stuff like that, so I can go ahead and I painted it. I bought some interior paint, spray cans basically to paint it. I'll insert some clips of when I did that. I just haven't had a chance to do any to record or all that stuff, and when I would come to do work on the trucks, I was just, you know, alright, let's get this shit done, and I would forget to pick up the camera. And my girlfriend actually just gave me like a vlogging camera, so you guys are gonna see better, hear better, all that stuff. And these next couple days, like I said, we're gonna be here with my mechanic, so we're really gonna be chopping up at it, so I can post up more videos and stuff like that. If you guys see, this is a 92 W900, or 82, sorry, and they did the same job on this W900 that we're doing with mine, except this guy, he's just a day cab. He runs containers here locally in Chicago, so he didn't need a sleeper. But they pulled, let me see if I can open this hood. They opened the, they took off this B model cat out of Eagle also. They did the same job they're doing in mine. He swapped over the engine. There's a cab of the truck that it came out of. But yeah, man, this is basically the same job that we're gonna do to mine, but this one's basically finished. Just not finished, but almost there. He just needs a few little things done, and it should be good to go. I think this guy's gonna, you know, paint the truck. He still needs a fifth wheel. Just little stuff, you know. The majority of the stuff is ready. I'm gonna go ahead and talk to my mechanic, see if we can get a little cold start for you guys, so you guys can see hear basically how my truck's gonna sound. This is a 400 B model cat. It's a 7FB, or the first. No, this is a 7XZ. I don't know if you guys can see the little plate there. Mine is the cat in my International. It's a 4MG. This is a 400, and mine is a 4 1/4. But let's go ahead and get a cold start for you guys. Let's go ahead and try to place the camera at a good place so you guys can see. I think it should be fine right there. Yeah, it's the cab that came off the International. Era una 90, no? It was a 90? Same thing, no? I think this is an 88. It was an Eagle also, and they pulled the engine out to put it on this day cab. It's an 81. 81 and it's an 82. Yeah, it's been parked out here for a good amount of time. It hasn't started in a while. I'm gonna go ahead and set up the camera back here. step on it a little bit for you guys. But yeah, guys, what do you guys think? Sounds pretty badass, right? Can't wait to have mine started already.